Hi, hello again. Greg Seward here from UMass Medical School. By now you've watched the first video, a basic intro to the CO meter and how it can be used. Today I thought I'd quickly go over a basic calibration for the CO meter. Now the CO meters come from the factory, calibrated and ready to go, but every 6 months they need to be recalibrated, and this is something that's easy to do. It's so easy that even I could do it. All right, skip the humor. Back to the CO calibration. All right, so once again we have the CO meter. We have batteries that are new in the back. Just another reminder to always have fresh batteries handy. The on-off buttons at the top, the round circle button, right? And this is the CO calibration gas. It's 20 parts per million. You probably got one with your kit. This is flex tubing that goes from the gauge. The gauge gets attached to the top of the gas can, and then the other end goes in the meter. So this is how we do it. Now, the first time you're handling the gas can, you might be a little bit nervous. When you disconnect it after the test, you'll probably hear a popping sound, but don't let that shake you. It's perfectly normal and perfectly okay. So here's what we do. We take the top black circle off. Now, when you put the gauge on, you want to be sure the gauge is closed. So this little dial at the side, you want to turn it clockwise all the way. This little pin basically goes in the little hole. Now I hold the gauge in place and I turn the can. Just makes it easier to attach. A few quick turns and it's done. The end of the tube goes in this D piece. Remember, the D piece looks like a D, but instead of putting in a disposable tube that we take a sample on, we put this end of the flexible tube in there. We turn the meter on. Now every 6 months it'll begin to prompt you to do a CO test, but you don't have to wait for 6 months to recalibrate the meter. You can do it yourself. And you turn it on, you look for a little gear in the bottom, gear icon in the bottom right corner. You press that and you have a little menu selection. You press the one icon that looks like a gas can. An hourglass pops up and you're waiting for it to get ready to calibrate. And the icon will change when it's ready to calibrate. All right, so now it's telling you to attach the valve, which we already have. Then you hit the right arrow for the next step. It tells you to attach the tube to the D piece, which we've done. You hit the right arrow again. It tells you to attach everything to the meter, which we've done. And then you turn the valve on all the way. So all the way open, counterclockwise, and you wait for the hourglass to finish. Now, if you listen, you can hear gas moving. That's a normal sound. I'll try to keep the tube out of the way. And this takes a few seconds, and that's normal. The green check mark means it's successfully calibrated. Then you turn the gas off and you can hit the home screen and you're ready to do a test. Now hit the pause button and take a deep breath, and I'm going to show you another tip that not many people know. All right, welcome back. Here's a quick tip. Do you remember in the first video I said that if you got results from someone that didn't seem to make sense, you could test yourself? You yourself know whether or not you're a smoker. I'm a non-smoker. In the first video, I did a test on myself and I scored 1, and that's simply from ambient CO in the air. Now, I don't have another smoker with me, but I can do a test on the gas. The gas can in a way is like a subject. But when I do a test on the gas can, I should expect results that come in pretty close to 20 parts per million, right? As if the gas can were a smoker. Sometimes some people call this a bump test, but it's really another test. You should get results. Now that you've calibrated the meter, you should get accurate results on it. So instead of hitting the icon button, I'm going to press and hold the person button. Now you could press male or female icon for the gas can. Really doesn't matter. But we go through the 15-second countdown. When it gets to 3, it starts to beep. When it gets to 0, we'll just turn the gas on again. And this is like someone exhaling. And you'll see it count up, and it should come pretty close to 20. And that'll let you know that the result is fine. We're at 18 now, 19, 20. And that's what we would expect, 20 from the gas can that blows a 20. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you're enjoying the videos. We'll do another video soon, and take care. Have a great rest of the day.